Napunta tayo ng fishport, fisheries, bibili tayo ng isda. Ito. Sama ko yung asawa ko. Yun. Sama si Mrs. Ito yung lagay namin. Oh. Bigay lang ng mga maglilipat ng bahay ng mga Aussie. Kinuha ko agad. Cooler para sa mga isdang mabibili natin yan. Tara guys! Tara! Let's go! Mulit 21 per kilo, 48 per kilo, 84. Hey, how much is this?
990.
990
Yeah.
per kg. Ito yung
So it's what roughly it's $8. Yes.
Pounded halibut.
Now you want them clean?
Ayan o, silver, parang bangus to. Bangus nga to.
Yeah, you're done.
Ito, prawns, 44.90 per kilo. Mud crab. Ito, laki oh. $40 per kilo rin. Sun crab. Sun crab. Ito, sun crab.
Alright, and you're just waiting on the other fish.
$32 per kilo. Lobster tail oh. So, 9 silver, parang bangus, 19, 12.90 per kg, salmon head frame, 9.90, fish heads, 5 kg. Malaga niya. Hindi ko alam kung ano dito, saktong yung mga isda dito. Ito, crab and salmon, mud crab. Ito, Moreton Bay bags, 8. Cook na siya. Moreton Bay bags. Ito. Ayan, munta ba yan, oh? Isa lang? Mud crab? Mud crab yan. Yun, oh. Laki, oh. Mud crab.
So $15 for those?
$15. And this one?
Say $9, $8.
$8.
$8.70.
Amazing.
Yeah, did you want all these?
Yes, please. It's a...
That's not too sure.
Yeah.
I'll find out in a sec.
All right. And this one, salmon, right?
Yeah, just done. That's fresh. Oh, hang on. Fresh as.
8.81.
So it's $8.80 for that.
$8 and yeah, salmon. And this one, what fish is this?
I just found out. Sweet lip. This one is
Sweet
sweet lip.
yakus. How much? Oh, yakus sweet lips. All right.
So that's total of $33.10.
$33.10.
Chuck that one in. Yes.
Where is it?
How you going, buddy? Alright, do you want to chuck it straight in?
Yeah, just put it here. All right. Card, please.
Yeah. You need a receipt?
Yes, please. Thank you. Dito na yung binili natin lahat. Naka tayo, naka $33 tayo lahat. Yan, tapos na tayo. Yeah. 3 hours 3. Almost $40 ang nabili natin. Napakadami na nito, guys. Dito lang yan sa Yoranga, no? Yung tabing dagat talaga siya, oh. Yan. Diyan kami nag-fishing. Diyan kami nag-fishing, oh. Nakatira pa kami sa dito, Reds. Okay, guys. Bye.